Hi everyone, my name is Sunil Yadav, and in this session, I'm going to talk about introductions. What I'm going to cover with this playlist, like learning Docker and Kubernetes. So, I'm planning to start, sessions from basic to advanced level. Some of you might know, like Docker, what is Kubernetes. So, that is also good, but I will try to cover, some basics to advanced level. So, somebody, if you don't know what is Docker, what is Kubernetes, and try to start with it, so it's really helpful. So please watch out this playlist, and I'm going to try to cover so many things, right? What I know and I why what I learning. So like I'm going to cover what is Docker, what is containerization, how you can create your image and build the image, right, and deploy into the Docker or Kubernetes or any other cloud platform, right? We are talking about Google Cloud, AWS, right? So many cloud platform we have in containerization system. So those things we will talk about it. And if you see, right, I already created so many playlists like learning MongoDB, programming in Kotlin, learning SQL. So many playlists I'm trying to put under those playlist in like lot of sessions, right? So that if your area of interest is MongoDB or Kotlin or Java, Scala, Python, right? So we'll put video, and you can watch out this playlist and start with from one video, from first video to like advanced level. So in coming session I will cover so many things, because these days like Docker is so much popular, Kubernetes is so much popular. Like if you see about OpenShift, right, we are deploying so many applications, and we are deploying through the Google Cloud, right? So this the containerization platform is evolved so much, and they were evolving. Everyone these days wanted to get the ready-made infrastructure, right, and just push out the applications, right, in real time. Real time means like in zero touch, right? If something I want to push into production, it's going to be automated for us, and is without time down. Like earlier if you see, right, earlier plan was production release, we had monthly, right? Generally it was monthly release, or after 2 months, right? So might be you have seen, right, we have Linux VMs, right? There is like kind of production environment setup, right? So suppose you want to deploy Java software, right? So generally we can say in that VM we did setup, right? Java JDK setup, and like whatever is going to support. Generally we have one guy from production support team or admin team. They provide you as infrastructure ready made, and then we do the production deployment. So that time it was taking lot of time, lot of overhead, so many people involved to make production system success, right? Once we deployed, everything is handled. But if we are adopting containerization system, right, so we don't need to put so many ceremony, right, to go for production. Why? Because you are building a containerization system, right, where you just going to you have your binary image, right, and that image is going to deploy into not a virtual machine, but under Docker, you can say containerization platform, right? Orchestrations, right, Kubernetes or any like which is supporting. So you have your image, right, either you run into Docker or Kubernetes, or with OpenShift platform or AWS, wherever you want to deploy. So those things are really evolving, and people are so much people are learning towards and in improving so many things. So I will cover basic to advanced level, and try to explain so many things, what I know and what I am learning. So many things we have into this area to cover, right? This is very vast chapter, Docker and Kubernetes, but it's really fun to put all those things and share with you, and I will learn with you as well if something I don't know. Okay, so watch out this playlist, and feel free to share your feedback, or share your comments, something I'm missing, something you want to learn, right? Happy to help you, right? You can reach me out, right, through Twitter or LinkedIn profile, or directly email me, right? I have already shared my details in my profile, right? and I will try to get help from official website to share with you all the details. So suppose if something you want to start with yourself, right, to learn those steps, so really the official pages I really recommend you to up to date. All the information are available with these website actually. So thank you. That's it from this introduction session with starting with Kubernetes and Docker. And in coming sessions we will say and learn like what is Docker and why we need Docker, right? What is container, how we can make build the images, and how we can deploy into system like in Docker or Kubernetes, right? So I will cover on those area. So thank you for your time. Hope you learned something and you understand. You learned something and you will going to implement it. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and share your feedback. Happy learning.